You guys, Polar Bear X here with my cousin, Nyan. We're gonna be playing Bridges 2v2, so get into the video or the game.
Okay.
Oh, started. So we can actually hear each other now because I'm using my tablet and he's using his phone. And so wait, monthly lifetime. There we go.
AF0.
Wait, 0 what? Dude,
For both.
I think it's at weekly or monthly because it's not a lifetime because we played this a lot. Nobody's joining because they know we're too good at this game, man.
We're gonna end up losing. You
Oh,
should
no,
say
no,
it.
there we go. I think they're at a party too. Nobody else plays this game unless they're in a party. Hell yeah, dude.
I mean, no one would like you. Okay. Haven't played this in a while.
Probably my mug. I'll defend the base. Go.
Why would you defend?
Go.
Oh,
Go.
wait a minute. My blocks are in wrong key. Oh well.
No! No! Oh, okay, nice.
What happened?
Okay. They almost made it. They almost made it. He is a good defender. Right?
Oh no.
I'll just stay over here. Okay.
Okay, I'm actually dead. Oh no.
I got one.
What? Wait, they fell though.
Okay, nice. And then, got him. Shot him. Nice.
Oh my god.
How about you defend, okay? You defend.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay.
No. Both rush.
Yeah, I got it.
One fell. You won.
Got it.
Nice.
Whoops.
You go. Nice. You got this.
Ninja. Okay. Achievement unlocked.
I'm my microphone close to my tablet, and I'm trying to have it like in the middle so the recording could hear both of us.
I have my phone like on top of my computer. We lost it.
Oh. Okay, it's fine. I hope it's fine.
I think I got him. Go. You got it.
Yeah, I got this.
Nice.
Go. I got one of them.
I fell. My bad.
It's
Okay.
fine. Yeah.
Alright.
Even. Wait, 10 games of 2v2. Oh, wait. Do I even have my sound on? Oh, I do. I don't have my headphones on. That's the thing. That's why I can't hear it.
Wait, I have
You
a.
have your thing.
Hmm?
You have your thing right out loud, so.
I put my volume to max. Oh no.
Oh, no. Oh, dude, it's this map. Oh, this map.
I'm gonna go to lobby.
Yeah, dude. We don't like this map.
Wait, you're lagging
bad.
out. Your voice is lagging out.
Your voice is lagging too. Oh, yo, they're definitely in a party, so
Oh,
we need to
no.
play a new one.
I know.
You want?
I'm playing. Yeah, I'm not playing this because of the map. I don't like the map,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I'm not gonna play.
I mean, we're in a party too, so it's not really. It doesn't really. Oh, what?
No. What? Are you serious?
Yo, Minecraft doesn't want us to play any other map than Cutlass. Oh. I'm going to the moon! No, I'm not. I'm waiting for you to start. Yo, dude, play a game! What are you doing?
I know. I was just waiting.
Oh. There we go.
There we go. Cutlass again.
Let's just play this map. It's fine. Leave it.
Cutlass 3 in a row. I don't like the map.
Leave it. It's fine. They're not in a party anyway, so they can't communicate, kinda. I don't think so. Yo,
You what? I mean, if they're good at the game, they don't need to communicate. Oh my god, I'm dead. Actually, no, I'm not. Actually, yes, I am. Wait, what?
Yo, I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in.
Alright. Wait, what the heck? Alright, you got it, you got it, you got it. Alright, nice.
I'm gonna wall run to the left. Not really wall running, this is kinda awkward.
Ah, what? Okay, so I glitched and
Yo, I can't kill both of them. I need help. I need help. Oh.
no, I glitched and like fell off the void. They're gonna shoot me off. You got it
Yo,
right.
yo, get in.
Never mind, I
Go,
got it.
go.
Okay, it's fine.
Nice. Got this, we got this.
Wait, I keep hitting with the.
Got it.
I was hitting with the glitch because I'm so used to pressing Q, which is my 8th.
Hey, why? Hey, why are you used to pressing Q? What is that?
It's my 8th hotbar because it's the closest I
I
can
know,
reach.
like, what is in your 8 hotbar?
The glitch, it's a diamond.
Oh. I don't think you understand what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna stop asking.
What's this guy gonna do? Nothing.
I
Alright.
don't
2v2 winner.
Oh.
Yo, 20
Maybe one.
20
My
20 win
teammate
streak.
is bad.
I have a win streak of 20.
I have a win streak of 22.
Wait, so one person in their team said 2v1 and then the other guy said it was his team
My
was bad.
teammate is bad.
Oh, it's the same guy, RD PvP.
Yo, it's fine. We got this. I hope. That's my luck. Yo, dude.
Hmm?
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I'll defend like always. And then if you die, and I'll go in. You know, that's how it works.
Uh-huh. Oh.
I shot him.
Ah! Okay, so
Died. I'm going. Going in.
that's some intense, like,
Got him.
that was some intense clicking, alright? You were like banging on your mouse.
No, dude, I was butterfly clicking on my right mouse so I could reach. No.
Okay, well, we just literally got a free
wall run, but I mean,
we literally got a free score because I literally do not know what they're doing.
Yo, Artie was trying to wall run.
Oh.
I got the wall run the left side then. Not really wall running, huh?
Okay. What? I died. Okay.
Yo, I got them. It's fine.
Nice. I was about to shoot him down. Okay, so.
Yo, dude, I think we can play one more round after this, cause
Yeah. Okay, we have 6 more minutes. Okay.
nice. Quick, hurry!
Chill out, chill out.
I need to do the outro, or me, anyways.
Alright, so 21 win streak.
23 win streak.
Oh, really?
They have the same skin, so they're definitely in the party.
Not the exact same skin. Alright. So apparently this. Oh no, okay. Big mistake, big mistake.
Got him.
Alright, nice.
Fine.
Alright, you go.
Intense clicking right here. Butterfly click.
You go, I'll be behind you. If they pass you, then I'll just knock them off. Okay. Go. You got it,
I got it.
Nice. fine. We got it. Oh, wait a minute. Nice.
I got it.
All right, 2 more.
Okay, I'll be behind you this time. Go.
Are you sure? Or
Yeah,
wait.
yeah.
Okay, I was in F5. I went on F5 on accident.
I was trying to wall run, but they suck at it.
Wait, what?
What?
You said you were okay. Alright, it's fine.
I got it. Stay behind me. Oh, we're not.
Oh,
Okay, I'll just try to.
Oh wait, you said stay behind you. Shoot him down. Shoot him down.
Yeah, I got him.
Nice.
I got the one that was wall running. Trying to wall run anyway.
Okay, now one more.
I'll go behind you. In case the guy tries to go on his wall running speed bridge again.
Okay.
Oh, the guy tried. He fell.
Alright, G. Conquered 3.
Oh, we can play one more game. Hurry.
Are you serious? Oh my god. Okay.
Do it one more time.
Alright.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh, it's Atlantis. It's the water map.
Atlantis.
It's really annoying.
Community map by okay. Much long Nusky? Community oriented.
Go. Do my bucket.
Okay, never mind, I'm dead.
Yo, dude, they're both here.
Yeah, I know.
Got them
Okay,
both?
no.
Oh, darn it. Okay, you go. No, I got it. Can you try to defend?
Okay. You're gonna get knocked off. Oh my god.
Got it.
Sorry, I got a Skype call. I'm on Do Not Disturb,
fine.
but I'm on Do Not Disturb, but I still have the notification. Doesn't make any sense. You got it?
You got it?
Nice. Or there's someone digging from the bottom. I think if
Dude,
they
nobody did that anymore.
yeah, if they dig from the bottom. Oh wait, no, they did dig
One's
from the bottom actually.
wall running.
Wait.
I got it.
Nice.
I don't think the people that are watching my recording can actually hear you.
Why?
I have the tablet too far away. Make sure. I'm gonna bring it closer.
Alright.
It's like right next to my keyboard now.
Okay.
Oh, okay, we definitely do want.
Okay, well he left. That's like 100% win rate. He's digging. Oh my god. Oh, he killed me. Wait, what?
Okay.
Wait, did he hit me through a block?
The bridge streak 5. Get a win streak of 25 in any mode. Come to hub, MP Warp.
Yeah, I know.
MP Warp.
I'm leaving queue. Okay, so
Wait, outro. You do. Oh, I'll do it? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, that stuff, whatever. Next video, will we do another one?
I don't know.
Probably. Okay, bye.
Alright.